Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie E, and this is Art by Julie E, and we are doing the Nate Bright Art Patreon group, Nate's Art Lab May Challenge collaboration. I will have the full playlist down in my description so that you can go back and catch everyone that was in front of me or behind me. And our challenge this month is to do blooms. I love a bloom. I love a school glue bloom. What I use is a 70-30 mixture of good old-fashioned white Elmers School Glue, and you can mix this however you like. I do 70 ounces to 30 ounces. You could do 7 cups to 3 cups, and then just put it in your container and shake it to the point of insanity. It's just such an easy recipe. And then when mixing the paints, you can do 1 ounce of paint to 2 ounces of school glue pouring medium, or you could do 1 teaspoon or tablespoon of paint to 2 tablespoons of the school glue pouring medium. It's 1 part paint, 2 parts pouring medium, however you want to measure it out. For our cell activator, I'm using Amsterdam Oxide Black. It's an opaque paint, and you mix that 3 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. So it's that simple, absolutely that simple. I normally make a base coat with the pouring medium, but I just got off work while I was doing this and I didn't feel like mixing up a big vat of base paint. So I'm cheating and I'm using the Sherwin-Williams Color to Go in Tricorn Black. And yeah, I couldn't get that lid was on there, man. So I'll get it off later. You'll see. But the colors that we have today besides the color place is some piggies. There is sangria, and that is aquamarine and watermelon. And how I mix those is I wet them first with some Liquitex Gloss Varnish just to make kind of a slurry. And then if it's too thin, I will add a little bit of gloss gel to make it the same consistency as a tube paint. So you don't want any thicker than a tube paint because then it's just too thick. But yeah, most of the time that's all how easy it is. And then you just weigh that on your scale and add 2 extra parts of that school glue pouring medium to it, and it mixes up great. And so yeah, we have those colors. Our other colors are what have we got? Oh, so we had watermelon, sangria, and aquamarine for this little piggies. Then we've got the Pebeo Studio Acrylics in fluorescent pink, and then we have, I think that's Persian Rose from Amsterdam, and it's an opaque also, so you can also use that with as a cell activator. Just add an extra part of your school glue pouring medium. So cell activators are 1 part paint, 3 parts pouring medium. That is Arteza Purple Royal Purple, and I think, yep, there's the accident. We're going to fast forward through this while I scoop that up and save it because piggies aren't cheap. So there we go. Zoom, zoom, zoom. And I think I forgot to let you know what the other color was there. It's an Arteza, and it's Arteza Pearl Rose. That's in that back cut back there. But yeah, I got flustered and lost track of where I was telling you about everything. I am fried when I get home from work, man. So, all right. I will be putting some music on for you. I hope you enjoy this. I have a lot of fun with these. They're my favorite, one of my favorite techniques to do, and my favorite recipe. See, I told you I'd get that lid off. Okay, let's put on some music and just Watch how fun it is. I don't worry about how I layer my colors. I don't worry about the transparency, the opacity, or any of that. I just lay them down and get what I get. And if I like it, I keep it. If I don't, I scrape it and start over. I don't try to worry and stress too much about what I'm doing. So, all right, here we go.
Tell me what you're thinking, give me what you're drinking. Tell me what you're thinking, give me what you're drinking. You and me, we got something special, baby. You and me, you and me. I can think this was never meant to happen. You and me, you and me. I can't help it. I can't help it. I can't help it. I can't help it. together. Strolling hand in hand and watch the sun goes down. For you, I would do whatever. I'll pick you up where you feel you're about to drown. Just take this chance and fly away with me. Let's break your chains and give you time to heal. So I wait while you take your time. I wait while you take your time. Wait while you take your time. Wait while you take your time. I know you will find your way from all this. I know there's a brighter day for you. Tell me, what are you saying? What game are we playing? I want us to be for real now, real now.
Oh, that's looking cool. I'm digging that. I am digging that. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, we're gonna leave it. Yep. Not moving too much. Okay, we're good. We're golden. Awesome. Okay, while we wait for the final results, I want to say a big thank you to Nate from Nate Bright Art. He always gives us really fun projects to do each month for his Patreon group. If you haven't joined it, please consider it. We always do some really cool stuff. So here it is. It's still kind of gooey in the middle. I let it sit overnight, but I had it covered so it wouldn't crack or anything like that. So it's doing its slow dry process under its tent that's covered so it doesn't get a lot of airflow across the top of it. But look at that. Aren't those just beautiful? That's my favorite corner. Look at those little rainbow type cells right there. See them? They got little rings around them, so cute. And those are like watercolor type cells. I just really love it. So there you have it. Not sure what kind of orientation I want it at yet. I kind of like it like this. Kind of looks like a lotus on the water, but I like it from other angles too. If you enjoyed this video, please do those UB2B thingies, the likey, sharies, and subscribies. And yeah, also go down, hit the like button, give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you thought of this down in the comments and if you think you'll try this recipe. Until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!
Strolling hand in hand and watch the sun goes down. For you, I would do whatever.